Tips for helping you multiply fractions. Tip number 1, always reduce before multiplying. This means that you will look for ways to reduce the values of numerators and denominators before multiplying. What does this mean? Here is an example. Simplify the expression 9 divided by 15 times 3 over 7. Okay, now here is your solution. Reduce the fraction 9 over 15 to its lowest terms. 9 would become 3 times 3. 15 would become 3 times 5. We can now see we have a common 3 on the top and bottom, which we can reduce to 1. That would leave us with 3 over 5 times 3 over 7, which would give us 9 over 35. Tip number 2, reduce after writing numerators together and denominators together. Here is an example. Simplify the expression 9 over 12 times 4 over 15. Now, if we look at this situation, we would see that 9 times 4 over 12 times 15 would give us, prime factoring the 9, 3 times 3, 4 would give us 2 times 2, 12 would give us 3 times 2 times 2, and 15 would factor to 3 times 5. Now, we could then cancel values that are common top and bottom. 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, which leaves us with a very simple answer, 1 over 5. Now, tip number 3. It is not necessary to reduce each term to its prime factors, but instead look for common terms between the bigger numbers. For example, 9 over 12 times 4 over 15 could be factored to 3 times 3 times 4 over 3 times 4 times 3 times 5. We can easily see now that we can cancel the 3's and the 4. Again, 1 over 5 is our answer. Always look for the easy way to multiply. To summarize our tips, reduce before multiplying, reduce after writing numerators and denominators together. It is not necessary to reduce each term to its prime factors, but look for common terms between bigger numbers. Always be on the lookout for these tips to help make your multiplying and dividing easier.